Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have Oppo A54 and in this video I'm going to show you how to expand your RAM and use your storage as your RAM. So in order to do that, get into the settings. In the settings you will find about device. So here we have a RAM which is total 4 GB. So but here you can expand the RAM. You can use this option, RAM expansion. So if you enable this option, you will find expand by 1 GB, 2 GB and 4 GB. So you can choose, let's say I'm gonna expand my RAM by 2 GB. So now we have total, okay, the system will restart and we're gonna restart the system, and that's how you're gonna expand your RAM. So let's see what we're gonna get. Here we go, the phone is restarted, and because we just expand the RAM of this phone. So let's check how much RAM in total we have in the settings. So this one is slightly slow. In the settings you will find about device. So here we have 4 GB plus 2 GB in total. So that's how you expand your RAM in the Oppo A54 phones. And thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.